Hey YouTube family, welcome back to another video from me. If you are new here, welcome, enjoy. If you like the content, subscribe. And to all my old timers, thank you so much for watching another video. I really appreciate it. Today's video, we're gonna take it easy. We're going to play in makeup, test out some new products, and I'm going to share my thoughts with you guys. Today's all about Vapour Organic. That is the company's name, Vapour Organic Beauty. Long story short, a few months ago, because you guys know I did I do foundation reviews for green beauty companies. I buy them, I test them out, I tell you guys what I think. I have an entire playlist dedicated to green beauty foundations. Check it out if you want to. Pretty interesting, pretty fun, sometimes a bit controversial. One of the reviews I did was for Vapour Organic Beauty. I tried their foundation in the darkest shade at the time. I have to say that at the time, and I actually love the foundation. I love the shade. I like the company. I liked what I saw. I like the inclusivity. Did the video months ago, never thought anything of it until recently. They reached out to me and said, hey, we saw your video, thank you for your honest opinion, for talking about us. We want to send you more stuff. I'm gonna say yes, send me address here, send it to come. They have also extended their foundation shades and ranges. I think they added a few colors in between of the colors, and they also extended their darkest shade by 2 other colors. Now, in the green beauty space, you guys know this, and this is my pet peeve, and this is what we're trying to change, is that shade ranges for us, people of color, it is very hard to find shades that are dark enough or that match our melanin skin tone to enough, honestly speaking. In the conventional beauty space, it is still a problem, but in the green beauty space, it is like an epidemic. It is more of a problem. So first of all, shout out to you, Vapour Organic, because when I first reviewed your foundation, you guys carried one of the darkest shades compared to other companies, but thank you for extending it even darker. And even when I initially reviewed your company, you guys always had inclusivity, even on your website and your social media campaigns, on all of your different social media platforms. There was always people of color, different representations, different races, different nationalities, different skin tones, and I really appreciate that. And for you guys to come again once more and say we're trying to step the bar up again, appreciate you for that. For the Atmosphere Soft Focus Foundation, they added 7. My favorite number. They added 7 new shades, but yeah, shade 112, 117, 133, 145, 155, 165, and 170 are the new shades that were added to the lineup. So in total, they have 19 shades in total. So it's progression. Thank you, and we appreciate it much. And I appreciate the fact that they added new shades in their darker skin tones as well, not only their lighter and medium skin tones. Much appreciated. These are the 5 darkest shades swatched on my skin tone. The first one here is S150, and that is described as medium deep with red undertones. The second one is S155, which is this one right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. S155 is described as medium deep again with yellow undertones. Right next to it is a shade that is, I think it's still my shade, which is S160, which is a shade that I reviewed initially. And that is deep with red undertones. So you can hardly see it because it definitely blends into my skin. It matches. This one right here, which is S165. S165 is described as deep as well with yellow undertones. So that's that one right there. S170, which is this one right here, and it's described as the deepest with neutral undertones. So there you go. So I no longer hold the title of wearing the darkest shade for Vapour Organic, and that isn't a title that I wanted to hold anyway, because there are deeper shades, much deeper than me. So the fact that I gave up my title is a great thing in my eyes. So no longer am I the deepest shade, which is S160. And that's a good thing. Before I apply the foundation, I'm going to apply the Vapour Organic Beauty Stratus Soft Focus Skin Perfecting Primer. They have 3 shades. The shade that I have is S903. This one is for medium, tan, and deep skin, and it adds a golden glow. I have used it a few times, I must say. The way I enjoy it the most though is if I'm running out the house to like the grocery store or somewhere very quick, I put this on by itself, nothing else, and my day is made. Wait, let's pick up this hair. Legit, like, it does what it claims to do, which is balance normal, sensitive, and combination skin. And it does give a naturally soft satin finish. Like, after you put this on, you wait a few minutes and you do have like a natural soft satin finish to your skin. I'm not sure if you can see the difference, but I can. My skin just looks so much more softer and like really airbrushed. It's not gonna be like perfect airbrushed, but just going outside to the grocery store with no makeup, I've done it many a times. That's the best way I like to use this. Yes, it's great as a primer under your foundation, but it just makes my natural skin look so good. That's my favorite way of using this. I would just legit put this on just like this and walk out the house. So foundation is applied. This is how we're looking. So it claims to provide a soft, focused satin finish, and that's exactly what we have. I applied it very light. It is a medium coverage foundation, and I applied it very light. I didn't want to cake it on too much, too much, but this is how it is looking. Now my skin is much tanner because it's summertime. The melanin is popping even more, but S160 still seems to be the shade that works for me. Maybe in the winter months I will probably move up to S155, I don't know, or S150. But right now, as far as my foundation goes, you guys, my face is a lot, and my hands are a lot darker than the rest of my body, like my chest. Because, you know, I don't show my chest too much. But if you can see, like, I don't necessarily match my foundation to my chest, because if I did, my face would really be really light in complexion. I used to do that before, but I prefer it to just match my hands, because that's predominantly shown. And you know, I can always, my clothes usually cover my chest anyway. So anyway, I'm rambling. Now let's move on. They also sent me this eyeshadow palette. This is a Midnight Eye palette. This has different shades of blues and purple. And I'm going to do a very simple eye look with this. About this palette, to be honest, the texture of the eyeshadow is very soft and creamy. Soft and creamy eyeshadows are not particularly my favorite. The reason being is because I do have sweaty lids. My eyelids sweat a lot. So soft and cream eyeshadows are just not my preference, because by the end of the day or midday, my lids tend to sweat. And I'm trying to find a way, because I watched their YouTube video and I'm going to do the look on my eyelids similar to how they did it on their website, because I want to follow, you know, the instructions on the website. But in order for my lid not to crease as much and sweat as much, I would have to apply a base first, like a concealer, and then put the shadows on top. But because the concealer is cream texture and then these shadows are cream texture as well, they mush together and the color changes. Or what I would have to do is apply the concealer, apply like a transition shade, which is a powder, and then apply these creams. But then the cream would also not mesh well with the powder. So based on what the instructions say on their website, we're just going to go right in on the lid straight with just the eyeshadows and see how they perform. Now let me just dry my lid as much as I can. So I'm going to start off with the lightest shade, which is like a nice dark purple blue. And I'm just going to just pat that at the top. And these are all, they all have a bit of shimmer to them. Now this totally does not match with my head wrap, okay? It does not match the head wrap. And based on the website as well, they advise using the fingers. You can use a brush, but they use their fingers. I'm guessing the way these eyeshadow palettes work are just for everyday, quick, easy, simple, not too dramatic looks, just an everyday, quick and simple, throw it on your eye and go look. Next, I'm gonna work backwards, the middle shade, and I'm just gonna put that all over the lid, the main lid space. This one is not as vibrant as I would like it. Then the last color, which is the deepest of all the blues, and I'm going to just put that more towards the outer V area. So this is the basic eye look I was able to create only using that palette and using those 3 shades. Cute. It's a cute look. It's a very wet eyelid, you know, I'm looking at the mirror, wet eyelid, you know, shimmer look. But this is a great nighttime look because it just glistens, and the creaminess of the eyeshadow makes that, you know, doesn't make it look matte. It does give a nice sheen to your eyes. So this is definitely a nighttime look. I would definitely recommend it for nighttime. The only issue I have with the eyeshadow palette is, on me, the colors, unless you really look deep into it, the colors all tend to look the same as just one color. It is 3 different colors, and in the palette you can see the different shades, but just on me, unless you really stare at my eye, it's hard to see that there are 3 different shades as opposed to just one shade. But it's still cute though. They also sent over their mesmerized eyeliner. This is in the shade Ink 606. One end has the eyeliner, the other end has a smudger. Line my eyes. On my arm, this is how the eyeliner performs. See that? Nice dark black. However, because of the eyeshadows that I'm wearing and because they're so blue and dark, the eyeliner is not popping as much as I wanted to because the darkness of the eyeshadows. So it's not the eyeliner's fault, it's just the fact of the eyeshadows was already dark, so you're not really going to see the eyeliner. You're not going to see the eyeliner as much. Does that make sense? Yeah, it makes sense. Alright, off camera I added some concealer. I also lined my bottom line because you can't really see it at the top because of all the blue eyeshadow. And I think that's all I did, just the concealer. Now, this is where it's going to get interesting. Vapour, you know I got love for you. I got love for you. But you guys, they also sent me the Solar Translucent Bronzer in the darkest shade, which is Spicy 223. The reason why I say it's going to get interesting is because I have yet to find a bronzer that's deep enough in my skin tone to show. I have tried this I think one time before and I didn't see it. Maybe it's just me. So I'm going to let you guys tell me if you see the bronzer or not. And it is also another cream consistency. Do you see it? You see it, right? When I do that, you see it. But I want to make sure it stays after I blend it out. Should I use a brush to blend it out or should I just cream? You know what? I'm going to use a brush. Try this flat brush right here. Let's use that to just... Let me know if you guys see anything. Because I find like once I blend it out, in my opinion, it's gone. This is why I really don't mess with bronzers and stuff like that. Like you really ever see me really put on bronzer or contour. Because in the green beauty space, it's hard for me to find one that actually matches my skin tone. Where when I put it on, it's there. But I do have to blend it out. And by the time I blend it out, it's gone. So... tell me what you think. Okay, you guys, I put the bronzer on. I blended it out. Let me know if you guys see it. I mean, for me, I don't see anything. I could be wrong, but you know, I'm gonna let you guys be the judge on that. So the next item that I got is the Aura Multi-Use Radiant. And I have it in the shade Brilliance, which is a 24 karat gold highlighter. Now this product, from what I'm seeing on their website, has won many awards. It's one of their top sellers and one of their many award winners. It has won the Allure Best of Beauty Award winner. It has won the Yoga Journal Natural Beauty Awards Best Blush, the Elle Green Star Award. Enough something, that's something I win. It is a multi-use stick that you use on your lips, cheeks, and lids. So I'm going to use it as a highlighter first. I'm going to use my finger again as a highlighter. I'm just going to dab some on my finger and just you know, touch the high points of my cheek. And this is definitely a true gold color. And then blend it in. You seeing that, right? Okay, I don't want to put too much. Let's use it on the lid, since it says so. I'm going to use a very small, precise brush, if I can find one, and apply it in my inner tear duct. So I'll take a little bit, put it in there. The fact that this highlighter or multi-use radiant stick comes in a stick form, it will be great to use it as like a body shimmer on your clavicle or something like that, because you know it's easy to swipe on, and it's a cream formula, so you can just blend it in like it's lotion or like it's a body cream. I don't know, I'm thinking of different ways to use it, but it'll just, you know, give it that nice little shimmer. I do like it as a highlight. It does have a nice subtle pop of color. The thing is that you can see the glitter flakes in it. Up close you can see the glitter flakes in it, but it's still cute. You blend it out really good. Now the last item they sent me was their velvet gloss. Their velvet gloss in the shade of Reckless 365. This gloss has gone down. Since I've gotten this gloss, I think it's probably one of my favorite products from them. I have used it consistently, I think every single day. This gloss is in my makeup bag and it goes with me to work and it stays with me all the time. The only thing is that because it's a gloss, you know, it doesn't last all day because it's a gloss. But it just adds that, and the shade is that adds that little pout of color on your lips. Like that just bitten lip. And the formula is so creamy. You see that? It's just a light flush of color for a lip gloss. Give me that pout, baby, that pout. Now watch me be bold. And it says I can use this gold stick, not the wrong one. The Aria multi-use, the gold stick, the highlighter. I'm gonna pop a little bit on my lip too, because it says it's for lips. So why not? Ooh, did y'all see that? Oh, I am living with that in the center. I am living. It turned out body really nice. The gold at the center just set it off really nice. Alright you guys, I am all done. This is my full face. Well, not everything is Vapour, but mostly everything was Vapour Organic Beauty. Created this face right here. Once again, thank you so much Vapour Organic Beauty for reaching out to me. You know, this is how we spread the information, reaching out to me. Appreciate it. Feel free to send your girl more products. I would definitely speak about them, speak my mind, share them. But yeah, I honestly really like the company. I like what I've seen from them so far, and I rep them. I support them. Everything just really looks good on the face. The skin is looking really good, really cute. The foundation will definitely give you a very skin light but satin finish. So there will be some luminosity to your skin, like a healthy glow. So it's not a matte. You will not get a matte look. You will not get a matte finish. It is a satin finish. It'll give you a healthy look to your glow. It's really nice. Alright, let me end the video because I'll keep talking forever. I think that's all I want to say. All the products, the company info, everything will be listed down below. If you guys want to check them out, I will link the company below as well. This is not an affiliate link, even though I wish I was an affiliate. But it's just a regular link to their website if you want to check them out. If you do purchase something, you can always put in the notes that Kaya Journey sent you, or even if you see them on your social media and you want me to try stuff from them, or if you want to just let them know that because of me you got to know more about them, you can always tag me on their post. It just helps small YouTubers like me get our name out there and get the word out, because a lot of companies don't know that we exist because, you know, we're not that big yet. But it's coming. But thank you guys so much for your support, for watching my videos, for your continued support. I really appreciate it. And with that said, I'm out. Bye.